All right, guys, today we're tackling something that's been bugging me for a while. These canvas seats in my 1952 M38A1 are absolutely filthy, like embarrassingly dirty. Look at this seat. I can scratch it, and yep, straight up dirt under my nail. This is gross. It's a combination of just sitting outside forever and some waterproofing spray that someone put on probably a long time ago. It basically trapped everything in. The canvas used to be this nice tan color, and now it looks pretty rough. So here's the plan. We're gonna use a bucket, some Dawn dish soap, warm water, and a soft bristle brush. Simple. Now let's see if that's gonna be enough for all this grime. Okay, moment of truth. Let's see how we're doing here. All right, so it looks like it cleaned up some of the edges pretty well, but in the center, boy, that's still really, really gross. You see that? Okay, we may have to go to another method or I'll be scrubbing at this forever. So let's pull out the big guns. All right, so let's go to the water extraction method. This is a spot cleaner by Bissell. It's worked really well on car seats before and even like couches and that kind of stuff. So let's see how it does on these old seats. Okay, that did an okay job. It looks like it is cleaning it up. I think we just need a little bit more, maybe cutting power. So I'm gonna try a drill brush to try to get some more of this stuff up before we do the water extraction. Let's get it nice and wet before we go to this drill brush. Now, I don't wanna go too fast because this really slings this soapy water all over everything. Okay guys, let's see where we're at. Wow, it's getting better and better each time. But look at that, yuck. We are still not clean. My fingernail mark though, it looks like it's pretty much gone. I could still see it a little bit. Man, we're definitely getting there. All right guys, let's see the water that came off these seats. Oh my gosh, that is disgusting. I bet you that smells horrible too. Okay, we are looking so much better. Look at this seat compared to that seat. Wow, once this dries, I'm sure this is gonna lighten up. Man, this is so much better than it was before. Stay tuned. We're gonna keep working on this M38A1. So I realized that I was getting spray all over the Jeep with that drill brush. So I decided to pull the seats out of the Jeep and do this job on the concrete. They actually turned out pretty well. They've got a very nice patina on them. Definitely not an even coloring, but you know what? These things are way cleaner and it won't get my shorts dirty as I'm cruising to the next Cars and Coffee. So do me a favor, hit like, hit subscribe if you want to see more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the garage.